In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect A2X to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your A2X account talking to your Shopify store so your e-commerce data can flow into your accounting with far less manual work and fewer errors. First, start by logging into A2X. This takes you to your main dashboard. If it's your very first time, the screen may look quite bare. If you've used A2X before, you'll likely see any organizations already set up. Either way, the goal here is simply to get into your A2X account so we can begin the connection process. If you manage accounts for others, make sure you're signing into the right A2X profile before moving forward. Next, look for the option that says Add a new organization, or you might see a button labeled Connect. A2X uses both, depending on whether you're creating something new or linking an additional sales channel. If you're new to A2X, Add a new organization is typically front and center. If you already have organizations in place, you'll usually find Connect near the top or within your existing organization's area. The idea here is the same in both cases. You're telling A2X you want to link a new sales source. When prompted to select a platform, choose Shopify. A2X supports several e-commerce channels, so picking Shopify ensures A2X prepares the right connection and data structure for your store. This also helps A2X map Shopify payouts and settlements correctly later on, which is a big part of getting clean, reliable numbers in your books. Finally, click Connect to Shopify. After this, A2X will guide you on screen to complete the link. You may see a new window or tab open, and it's normal to be shown details about what data will be shared so A2X can import your store information and financial summaries. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, pause to double-check you're connecting the intended one. A small moment of verification here can save you time later. If anything doesn't appear as expected, try a quick refresh, confirm you have the right permissions in both A2X and Shopify, and ensure pop-ups aren't being blocked in your browser. Once the connection is established, A2X is ready to receive your Shopify data, and you can focus on the parts that matter most, like reviewing how A2X summarizes payouts, reconciling cleanly in your accounting system, and keeping your financials accurate with less manual effort. That's it. You've connected A2X to Shopify with just a few clear steps.